Kan orang kita terlampau taksub nak living the lifestyle as CEO. You want to be looked as credible, ada status, ada image yang lawa. Let's be honest, people don't care. Okay, respect is not given, it's earned. Okay, and then in today's world, your achievement tu is as good as yesterday je, itu je. Ada orang macam kayak cakap kat guru sebelah tadi kan, ada jenis buat video dia daily views like 5,000, 10,000 and they used to hit 1 million. Dia pin 1 million video tu, 2 million pin. Bila tengok timeline, that was like 3 years ago. Move on. Okay, move on.
Oh,
sebab apa? Bila you buat macam tu, you akan rasa diri you pernah berjaya. Kalau I go around people, I akan cakap aku pernah capai 1 million in 2 minutes 24 seconds. This year kalau I boleh hit 1 minute 2 minute 20 seconds, ada rasa bagus daripada last year. But no, I'm done with that record. Moving to the next one. Dadah lah tak suka.
Betul lah nanti.
Video yang korang upload FYP tu 5 minit, 5 tahun dah lupa dah. Korang 5 tahun duk ping lagi. Move on. Okay? Move on. Saya cepat move on daripada my own success. I hate being in comfort zone. You can ask my teammates apa semua kan. Diorang sampai penat tau duduk sebelah Khairul Amin ni. Macam ya Allah, boleh tak kau rehat sekejap? Betul, I'm tired but I'm happy this way.